Hey y'all, I was just out back with the chickens and look what I found. This is a brown DK snake. They're not venomous. Their bite is so like, you wouldn't even be able to feel it. Here she is in all her glory. Her name is Nikki, like Nicki Minaj. Anyway, she's so sweet. Yeah. They're local in Missouri. And yeah, don't forget to not pick up random snakes. Do your research. But yeah, here she is. She's such a sweetie. Please follow so we can hit 5K before the end of summer. Love y'all so much. Bye. Say bye. Let's put Nikki in her little house. Bye, sweetie. I love you. That was so fun. Follow for more.